It's hot, humid, and I'm hungry. Let's make some Asian cucumber salad. Asian cucumber salad, the perfect recipe for the summer. Let's go. This is actually my first time trying to make this, so I hope this hits the spot. Look at that. Cheers. We got something going on right there. Oh, that's so delicious. That is delicious. Has a little kick. The sesame oil comes in so perfectly. It smells good. And there's so much flavor. The best part about this is it's refreshing. I highly suggest that you serve this right away as soon as you make it because it's crispy and cold. You don't want it soggy. Looks pretty cool too. Don't forget to hit that like button. It lets me know that you enjoy my recipes and I'll keep coming back with more. Much love to everybody and peace. Till next time.